In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Amtrak points. If you've earned points through Amtrak Guest Rewards and you're ready to use them for a trip, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the booking flow so you can search for eligible trips and view pricing directly in points instead of dollars. Start by going to the Amtrak website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the main booking area where you can enter your travel details. This is where you'll set up the trip you want to redeem points for. First, select your trip type. Choose the option that matches your travel plans, such as a one-way trip or a round trip. This step is important because it determines which date fields and travel options will appear as you continue. Next, enter your departure location in the From field. Be sure to choose the correct station or city from the suggestions that appear, so your search is accurate. After that, enter your destination in the To field. Again, selecting the correct station helps avoid confusion later when train options are displayed. Once your route is entered, select your departure date. Pick the day you want to begin traveling and make sure it matches your intended itinerary. If you're booking a round trip, go ahead and select your return date as well. This ensures the system can search for both legs of the journey at the same time. After entering all of your trip details, look for the Use Points toggle and turn it on. This is the key step in the redemption process. When this option is enabled, Amtrak will search for trips that can be booked with points, and the pricing will be shown accordingly. If you don't turn this on, you may only see regular cash fares, so it's worth double checking before moving forward. Once the points option is activated, continue to the results and choose your train. You'll then be able to select your seats or rooms depending on the type of trip and service available. At this stage, the prices are displayed directly in points, which makes it easy to compare options and decide which one fits your balance and travel preferences best. Take a moment to review the available choices carefully, especially if you're deciding between standard seating and upgraded accommodations. When you see the option you want, you can move ahead with the redemption process from there. And that's how to redeem Amtrak points quickly and easily through the Amtrak website.